Absolutely, because it's one of the things I needed for my house. This is from ThermoMate. Now, you know I'm going to be heating my house primarily with wood, but we're also going to have propane. We're going to have a propane stove. We can't get natural gas out here, so I'll use propane. And we'll have a propane dryer, you know, for when it's too cold to hang clothes. Let me get this out of here, if I can. Maybe if I do it like this, it's easier sometimes. All right. We don't need that box anyway. Let me get this here thing out of here now. Mounting hardware or installation hardware. Oh man, ain't this cool? Oh wow. That's the size of it. That's all the bigger it is. This is a 4.7 gallon per minute whole house hot water on demand. That's what this is. This will do a two bathroom house with kitchen. It will supply enough hot water for that on demand. That's the size of it. That's all it is, instead of a giant water tank. That's a cold in, gas in, hot out. That's it. This is for the fan inside it. That's it. That's all it's involved, and then it's all push button, touch screen type stuff where you set the temperature and all that. But that's going to hang in the utility room, and this is going to be my hot water tank in the house. Unbelievable. Like I said, you can get these. Whoops. You can get these. This one's propane. You can get natural gas or you can get electric. I think it's 112 or 102 BTUs is what this works out to be. But this is all for all the hot water we'll ever need. Amazing. I can't believe they called and asked me about this. And I said, heck yes. Because they had sent me one before that's more of a camp type, cabin type thing that I let Gary use. It came with the 12 volt pump and everything. It's much smaller and it's propane. This is for a whole house. This is not for a cabin. I love it. ThermoMate. Look them up. They've got good reviews. When they emailed me and asked me if I would be interested in showing this, I said absolutely. You know, I looked it up. I found out what it was. I did some research on them. This is a good company. You know, you got to exhaust this out. Now, with the electric ones, you don't have to, but with the propane or the natural gas, it's got the vent here to vent out the gas. But it's just immediate, on-demand hot water. You're not wasting energy keeping a hot water tank hot. That's part of the problem with the hot water tanks is when they're sitting there not being used, if they drop to a certain degree, they automatically kick on to heat that tank back up again. That's the efficiency of these things, is it's immediate. You have hot water. So, good deal. Thank you, ThermoMate. And as I get the bathroom built over there, you will see me installing it. I apologize for